This is gonna be tricky, so come have a seat over here, all of you. So your job is to go over the meal cost. So this is different. She's shy too. Ready? So lay down. Get your hands ready. Like this. And you mix the meat up. Give your legs. Now you're going to throw your legs up and over and keep your hands on the floor. No matter what, don't lift your hands up. Your belly's going to be on here and you're going to be laying down on it, and that's okay. That's what I want. 1, 2, 3, up, push, and stay there. So that's what I want. And roll over. Did you say you have a half donut? Okay. Who wants to go next?
Mommy, can I get on there?
Oh,
Can I get on that?
that'll work too. You ready? Lay down. And go. Hands on the floor, push up higher. You see that? So this forces them to really get that lift. Who wants to try it? Come on. If you want to go next, line up. When you do that, you're very far away. When you get closer, you're very close to it. Get your hands ready. Get down. And straight legs. And go. Feet over. Push. Touch your toes on the floor. Good. That's good. That was good. Go. Try by yourself. Pop your legs over. Pop. Push. Excellent.
Can I see him?
Oh, I thought you asked if your nose was. Good job. Good, Hadley.
Good. Always get your head inside and look at your belly button. So now you have a big hamstring shape, a round off shape. Good. That was excellent. Go.
Good job, Drew.
What are you doing? Did you forget your hands? You don't like your hands? You forgot your hands. Get closer. How old are you? 55. I see. Get your hands ready. Remember? And then turn.